So in the drilling operation, what has to be understood? In the drilling operation, as you can see, we have different geographical areas. We have a variety of geographical areas where there are a variety of sedimentary rocks. So the reservoirs are basically found in varieties of geographical areas. The wells drilled in these reservoirs may be onshore or offshore. So the depth of these wells may vary from 1000 feet to 30,000 feet. 30,000 feet. So that is the depth of the explored area. So the depth of this explored area range in the value of 1000 to 30,000 feet. Also, the wells can be drilled vertically, or in some cases the wells can be drilled in the inclined manner or an horizontal manner. So what we see here is the drilling operation sometimes, suppose the drilling operation sometimes takes place, maximum times the drilling operation takes place in the vertical manner, and sometimes the drilling operation takes place in the horizontal manner, and as well as in the horizontal manner. Sometimes it can take place also in the inclined manner. Okay, so the drilling operations, vertical drilling operations can be horizontal, drilling operations can be inclined. It depends upon the usage of the oil exploration. Now most of the drilling is basically done by the rotatory method. Now in the rotatory method, what we have is, we have an abrasive bit is revolved at the end of the drilling. Now suppose if I make the tool, I will make you understand with the help of a tool. Now suppose this I take as a tool. So what does this tool will have? This tool will have this surface, okay, and this will be in the rotating motion. This will be in the rotating motion. So this will be in the rotating motion. Okay. Now this is the tool. This will be in the rotating motion. So all the drilling rigs. So these are known as your drilling rigs. So all the drilling rigs are having an assembly that are used for the drilling purpose, are composed of the components that are a power plant, then hoisting and a rotatory machines, the drill column, and a mud circulating system and an auxiliary. So what they do is they have a system in which they use these particular drills, and it has a suction device that sucks the amount of mud and separates the mud from the crude oil. This is very important during the drilling operation. So in my next point, I have mentioned now how much amount of power is required during the drilling operation. The power used for the drilling may vary from 250 to 2000 bhp brake horsepower, and a heavy duty mud pump requires a power of around 700 bhp. So these are the amount of the power that is being required for the drilling operation. Now very important here is the casing. So what is a casing basically? As soon as the rotating tool is being drilled inside the surface beneath the sedimentary rock, so there is a casing that remains permanent inside this. Inside we have a tool, and above the tool we have the casing. So the casing is being permanently mounted, and that is very important. So rotary system is used to rotate the drilling sting, and therefore the drill bit on the bottom of the borehole. So completing a casing, preparing for production of oil, involves insertion of a casing while comprising of one or more string of tubing. So that is known as your tubing. So the casing provides a permanent wall to the borehole. The borehole which we have done is that casing provides a permanent, okay, so that prevents unwanted oil, unwanted gas or other contaminants being added into this particular casing. So that casing does not allow the other products to accumulate inside it. So that is very important. So that we have to. Now, the major function of the drilling fluids are: number one, to cool and lubricate the drilling bit and drill string, to remove the drilled solid, allowing their release at the surface, to form a gel, to suspend drilling cuts and any weighing materials when the fluid column is static. Okay. To control the subsurface pressure, very important, to prevent squeezing or caving of formation, and to plaster the sides of the borehole. So these are the major functions of the drilling fluid.